For some children with autism, getting dressed can feel tricky. Buttons can be hard to use. Zippers might be frustrating. Some clothes may feel too scratchy, tight, or uncomfortable. That's okay. Autism can affect how a child learns daily skills. Some children need more time, more practice, or a different way of learning, and that's perfectly normal. Breaking dressing into small steps can help. First underwear, then pants, next shirt, socks and shoes last. Pictures, routines, and simple reminders can make learning easier. Going slow and practicing every day helps build confidence. Letting children choose clothes that feel comfortable gives them control and helps them feel safe. Every small success matters. Learning to get dressed takes time, and that's okay. My favorite tip: Flippee Doo with the coat. Lay the coat upside down on the table so the child or adult can put their hands and arms in the sleeves and flip it over their head. Their confidence will soar. With patience, support, and understanding, children can grow more independent, one step at a time. Stay informed.